unboxing my first purchase of Louis Vuitton. So what is in here is we have a two tester Louis Vuitton. I don't know what is that. Samsung Louis Vuitton perfume, Millie Fox, and I have my receipt. And it's right here. It purchased today, Topanga Plaza, for $18.21. Okay, and here we go. Yay! Nice, nice. Well, I worked so hard for this bag. Actually, I want Speedy and the Métis, but they're out of stock. But when we get there, my eyes like tingling. And I saw this bag, and oh my god. Oh, there you go. And I'm so in love with this bag. Oh, nice. Isn't it nice? Look at that. So what do you call this bag again? That's okay. So LV Riverside. So that's the name of the bag. So let's check. So what's in here? So look, it's really nice. A lot of pocket, and I really like it. Kasi yun na, mahilig akong kung ano-anong maglagay ng anik-anik sa bag pag umaalis kami ng asawa ko. So ayan. So what's in here? This one and this. So that's it. So the name is the LV Riverside Soft. Nice. So nice. And then dadalhin ko to sa bakasyon sa Pilipinas. So here. Nice. So nice. So meron itong sling bag. Sling. I mean sling. So it's right here. Okay. Here you go. Nice. My husband said it's big to me, but well, I love this bag. I like it.
Okay.
Very classic. Nice. Thank you for watching.